Starting a content writing gig on Fiverr can be a rewarding venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you establish and succeed in this field. Create your Fiverr account. Sign up on Fiverr and complete your profile. Use a professional photo and write a compelling bio highlighting your writing skills and experience. Define your niche. Choose specific areas of content writing, such as blog posts, articles, copywriting, or SEO content. Specializing can attract more targeted clients. Craft an engaging gig. Create a gig that clearly outlines your services. Include a catchy title, detailed description, and list what clients can expect. Use relevant keywords for better visibility. Set competitive pricing. Research similar gigs to determine competitive pricing. Offer multiple packages to cater to different budgets. Showcase your work. Include samples of your previous work in your gig gallery. If you're new, create sample pieces to demonstrate your writing style and capabilities. Promote your gig. Share your Fiverr gig on social media and relevant online communities to drive traffic. Engage with potential clients and answer queries promptly.